Hi friends, Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to see why were Indians always ruled by others. Today, we will explore this question and connect it to our current situation. Now, turning our attention to something personal, it's interesting to observe that even within our families, there might be some hidden jealousy when it comes to our achievements. Let's dig into this idea and see what it means for us. Just think like this, how we celebrate others' success, but sometimes feel a little envious when it happens to someone close to us. If we will look at our history, our own past tells a unique story about our kings, driven by jealousy, unintentionally helped outsiders take control of nearby kingdoms. Let's understand that with the help of Indian kings, these outsiders managed to conquer kingdom after kingdom. This raises questions about the impact of envy on our collective fate. As we reflect on the past, it's interesting to note that our ancestors seemed more accepting of being ruled by strangers than by one of their own. This strange mindset has left a lasting impact on our thinking too. If we will look at today's scenario, we will find that this historical mindset is still lingering among us. It's deeply rooted, making us a divided group and vulnerable to external influence. This is something that we need to think about. When we think about the implications of our historical mindset, it's crucial that we learn from our ancestors' mistakes. We have the chance to break free from this cycle and build a united and strong future. Let us agree that our safety is connected to the well-being of our neighbors. Keep them safe and your home automatically becomes secure. Here's the message for successful individuals. Share your success. Don't breed jealousy. By creating an environment of support and teamwork, we can overcome jealousy and build a stronger and more united society. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.